Hi foodies, we are having a mid-afternoon snack and I have been craving matcha ever since my niece made me matcha for breakfast while we were in Panama. She loves her matcha and she makes a delicious ice cold matcha drink in the mornings. So I'm going to try and make something similar and I'm going to use two things. My Eden soy milk, which actually froths and makes things delicious. I make my soy yogurt with it, and my Wellious almond protein powder, which comes in vanilla. So I'm going to mix the matcha flavor with a little bit of protein powder. And if you don't want to use the protein powder, you can just use some date syrup or maple syrup or something that you are comfortable with sweetening that's whole foods and plant-based. The date syrup would be something that would complement it well. So I also have this Navitas Matcha Powder. It's an organic matcha powder and it's just a plain matcha powder. I'm going to put a little bit more in each glass. And then I'm going to froth my milk before I add ice or anything to it. Let's hope I don't make a mess. And I'm going to also add the Wellious vanilla protein powder, just a tiny bit, and it's going to flavor it. Now the Wellious protein powder, the vanilla one, has a little bit of flavor. I'm only going to put about 1/4 of a scoop. I'm going to do the same in the other cup. It's just going to flavor it a little, give it a little vanilla matcha flavor. And we're going to be having one of our energy balls, which I made the other day. I made Jay's in a peanut butter coated. I took the energy balls that I made and coated them in a peanut butter powder for him. And for me, they're just plain. I don't like peanut butter flavored things. So the peanut butter flavor is strictly for him. So I'm going to bring him one of the peanut butter powder energy balls, and I'm going to have a regular one. So here's the first matcha drink. I didn't leave too much room for ice. All right. See if I leave more room for ice for this one. All right, so here's my Eden soy milk. The reason that I like Eden soy milk is because it has the most protein content of any of the soy milks out in the market. It froths and all because of the protein content, and it's also very neutral. It makes the creamiest soy yogurt. So it's my favorite of all the soy milks to use, and it's only made from soybeans and water. So it is completely whole foods. It doesn't have any other added ingredients other than the soybeans and water. So no salt, no guar gum, no additives of any kind. So it is a great milk to use in your whole foods and plant-based kitchen. So I did leave enough room for this one to have some milk. I'm going to put a couple of ice cubes in here just to have it be cold, like an ice cold matcha drink that you would get at one of those coffee places. We won't name them because I'm competing with them and making a better matcha. I'm going to take a little sip. Delicious. I'm going to froth mine up a little bit. Look at how much froth that makes. That's because of the protein content in the Eden soy milk. Look at that. Super frothy drink. You don't even have to go spend money at one of those coffee places because you've made your own matcha drink. I'm going to show you our little protein balls. I'll show you our snack. Here's Jay's. Peanut butter coated and covered, and mine is a regular one. Mine is the regular oatmeal protein with our matcha vanilla ice cold Eden soy milk drink. Okay, bye guys. Hope you're having a happy day. Cheers.